Welcome. Today we're going to do a shoulder workout, so we will be using a resistance band. I highly recommend a little bit of a warm-up. We're not going to do a formal warm-up at all. We're going to jump right into the exercises, so if you could maybe find a couple of your favorite songs and put some music on and just dance away for a couple of minutes, that would be great. We're going to start with an overhead shoulder press exercise. So we want to have one foot, depending on what type of band you have, you may be able to have both feet in the band, because we're going to take the band up and over the head. I'm going to have one foot in the band. I'm going to take my arms up to shoulder height. I want my abdominal muscles tight, shoulders back and down, and I'm going to be breathing out on the way up, inhaling on the way down. We're going to take it up overhead and back down. So that's your demo. Are you ready? Shoulders back and down. Let's start in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale up, that's 1. We're going to do a set of 12. And the second exercise we're going to do is we're going to be taking the weights, the band out to the side. So I'm going to put both of my feet flat on the floor in the band. Again, we want our shoulders back and down, abs are tight, and we just want the band to go up to shoulder height. It doesn't need to go any higher than shoulder height. And I'm going to demonstrate that. So out to the sides and back down. So shoulders are back and down, abs are tight. Let's get started in 4, 3, 2, and 1, and take it up and out. And from here we're going to do another shoulder exercise called an upright row. So I'm going to put both feet in the band. I'm going to move them out slightly so that I get enough resistance when I'm going up. Again, shoulders are back and down, abs are tight. So we're taking the band up to shoulder height. We don't need to go any higher. So you're going to be working the front of the shoulder in this exercise. So make sure they're back and down. Are we ready? Let's start in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Up we go, breathing out on the way up. We want to be nice and tall. Again, not locked at the elbows, but arms are fairly straight. And we're just doing little circles, and then we're going to make them bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So you'll really feel that resistance working. Shoulders are working hard there. So we're nice and tall, shoulders back and down. Let's start little circles and make them a little bit bigger and bigger. And let's go in the other directions, tiny circles and bigger and bigger. Keep going. And last one, and bring that band down.